Hi everyone, and welcome to your last and final 2 weeks of class. Yay, we all made it. I'm so happy and proud of each and every one of you. A couple of housekeeping items. If you haven't already scheduled your exam, do it now. Just go ahead and bite the bullet. Some of you are like me. I get really nervous when I have to go take a test, and that's natural, and that's not a problem. Let's just get over that first hurdle of getting signed up. So to do that, if you haven't already done so or looked at the course documents information, you need to go to the assessment center. First, go online and sign up for taking that test. And pick a date, any date, pick a close date. Go and take it. That way, if you don't pass it the first time around, now you've got all your jitters out, you've left yourself week 16 to go and take that test. The test is worth 1,000 points. You only need 700 points to pass. Doesn't matter how you get there, if it's 701 or 780, you just need 700 to pass. Outside of that, there really isn't anything else to tell you, except don't forget to bring me your test scores. To find your test scores, you're going to go through Certiport, which all of you have registered for. And you're going to look for where it says transcripts. You're going to do login, and then at the top, calling it like the ribbon with all of the links that you can link into, there's one that says transcripts, I believe. You're just going to go right into that, and towards the middle of the page you will find a PDF file. I need your scores. Please do not bring me the certificate that says you passed. I actually need the score so that I can plug that score in for your final score for Blackboard. Let me be clear. If you don't bring me your scores, you're going to get a 0 because I'm going to assume that you didn't take the test. And any score, regardless if you passed the first, second, or didn't pass at all on any of your attempts, is better than a 0. Please bring me your scores. I teach Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I'm the only professor here on campus that teaches all of them. And I have a ton of students, and each class has 20 plus students, and I don't want to have to be responsible to track down your scores. If I see you haven't turned them in, I'll try to shoot you an email, but I can't do that for everybody. That's why it's your responsibility. As soon as you're done taking that test, give me your scores. Now, a lot of students have asked me, how do I do that? You can do a PDF. You can send me a screenshot from your cell phone and email it to me. This is the time that, yes, you can use your email, my email address. You don't have to use Blackboard, Ask Dr. Barnes a question. Email it. If you're on my campus and you know where my office is, and drop it off. If I'm in, stop in and say hi. I'd love to meet my online students face to face. If I'm not in, I've got an inbox outside of my door, or slip it underneath of my door. Doesn't matter what means or mode you use to get me your results. I just need your results. I will give you a 0. If you have questions, ask me the question and Ask Dr. Barnes a question tab so that everyone can see that. I'm trying to hit as many students as possible. I'll also follow this week up with one last announcement. I think that's it. I've enjoyed all of you this semester, getting to know each of you. Working through SimNet, there's quirks. Now, one last thing about SimNet, if you haven't heard, SimNet's going to go away. Next semester is the last semester that we're going to be using SimNet. So if you still need to take Excel or PowerPoint, do so the spring semester, if you can do that. And the reason why is because in the fall, we'll probably still have a teach out section of this, but we're going to be offering all 4 programs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, in one class, and only spending 4 weeks on each. So it'll be a little bit different beast. And also, just to kind of scare you a little bit and for you to take everything next semester, in that new course starting fall 18, you will be required to pass Word and Excel. Otherwise, you don't pass the class. So with that said, if you can, if it's not too late, switch your schedule up for the spring and take PowerPoint and Excel to get those out of the way. All right, again, I've enjoyed all of you this semester. Sad that it's come to an end, but I'm proud of you. Let me know if you have questions, and don't forget, I need your test scores. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.